Hello everyone, this is Kevin Zhang. We are IDLESPACE technology companies. We are located in Ontario. So we are licensed by the Philips brand. So here is our Philips smart lock with the rAVe features. This is our 4000 series with the rAVe module. So we are certified by the rAVe Long Range Plus. And for this lock, we do have the touchscreen features here, and also under the key cover, we do have the mechanical keys. So the end user can use the PIN code and the mechanical key to unlock the door. Also, there's a built-in rAVe module inside, so this lock can integrate with all Alarm.com certified rAVe control panels. Here's what the back assembly looks like, and unless the normal lock, we do have like 2 clicks here, which can let the end user to save like 2 screws here. And the battery, there's 4 AA batteries. The battery life is about like 8 months. We do have 2 finishes regarding those lock. One is a matte black, the other one is a satin nickel. Yeah. The website is our website is homeaccess.com. Yeah, you can